Hello Aquarius, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So today we are going to do a general reading from July to December 2021. It is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with every Aquarius out there. Okay, let's get started. What is going on with Aquarius? Also, if this video resonates with you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, Aquarius, I believe that you have been waiting for something. Okay, you have been waiting for a certain thing to come true, and I think you've been waiting from quite a long time. It might be that you've been waiting from a year or so, and that thing that you've been waiting for is coming towards you. Okay, something that you've been waiting for is coming towards you, and it is going to bring a lot of happiness in your life. It is going to bring a lot of abundance in your life. If you're waiting to find the right partner, like say for example, if you're waiting for a soulmate, or if you're waiting for a job, if you're waiting to try a new career or anything like that, then that is coming towards you. Okay, the wait is over. Also, one more thing that I want to tell you about this card is that if you're planning to go abroad, okay, if you're planning to move to another country, or if you're planning to move to another city, and you've been planning it from a very long time, then that is also coming true. Okay, your dreams of moving to a new place is also coming true. Only if you actually genuinely want that. Only if you actually and genuinely want to move. Okay, if you are deciding to move from one job to another, okay, if there's any sort of moment in your life that you've been manifesting from a long period of time, then that is coming towards you. Okay, that opportunity is going to present itself towards you, and this is going to bring a lot of abundance in your life within these 6 months. Okay, we have the Hierophant. So as I said, a soulmate is also coming towards you. Okay, a person who you're probably going to get married to is coming towards you. So this is a very positive card. Okay, and I think you've been dealing with a heartbreak at present, or maybe you dealt with a heartbreak in the past. Okay, there was a heartbreak, something that broke you completely, something that changed your perspective, something that made you a different person. But that heartbreak was important. Okay, in that moment the heartbreak was important, because this heartbreak is leading you towards your real soulmate. Okay, it is helping you to move towards your real soulmate. Maybe you were settling for a person who was not doing enough. There was a person who was not doing enough for you, and they were just sort of there. Okay, they were just sort of there and they were not doing enough, and you knew you deserve better. Though it caused you a lot of pain, it caused a lot of damage, but the good thing is that it is helping you to move towards your soulmate. Okay, it is helping you to move towards someone you're going to get married to. So again, that's a very positive thing. And if you've been waiting to find someone, like if you have been single from a long time and you're waiting to find someone whom you're going to get married to, or if you have been waiting for your soulmate, then that person is also coming towards you. Okay, there's going to be happiness after dealing with a lot of pain. I think you have dealt with a lot of pain in the past, but these lessons are going to help you in the future. The lessons that you learned in the past are going to help you in the future. Okay, you've been thinking about things. Okay, you've been thinking about things, and also the good thing is, again, a very positive thing that I see, something that was hidden from you. Okay, it could be regarding a relationship, it could be regarding a job. If there was a thing, or if there were multiple things that were hidden from you in the past, they are coming to light. They are coming to light, and you are going to bring them to light with your knowledge. You're going to bring them in light with your mental power. Okay, so something that was hidden from you, a truth maybe, something was not completely revealed to you, and you're going to know the truth with your own mental power. Okay, you're going to use your brains, you're going to use your you're going to connect the dots, you're going to connect all the dots, and it is going to bring the truth. Okay, we also have the Page of Cups and the King of Cups. Again, a lot of emotional stability is coming in your life. Okay, a lot of emotional balance and emotional stability is coming in your life within these months, and I think multiple opportunities are going to present towards you. Okay, a soulmate for sure. I see a very strong soulmate energy. A person who is going to be your soulmate is definitely coming towards you, and they're going to bring a lot of stability in your life. Okay, if you have been waiting to try on a new career, if you have been waiting to try on a new job, then that opportunity is also going to present itself towards you very soon. Okay, and as I said, a lot of emotional stability is also coming in your life. More than financial stability, I see emotional stability. Okay, and a good news regarding some opportunity is also coming towards you. So all these cards are very pure right now, and I think so some good opportunities coming towards you, and you've been manifesting this thing from quite a long period of time. Okay, let's pick out few more cards. Okay, there are a lot of cards. This is for Aquarius. This is for Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, as I said, something that you've been waiting for, something that you've been manifesting, something that you've been dreaming about, okay, is coming towards you. It might be an opportunity of a lifetime. Okay, something that you always wanted. It might be a dream coming true, something that you wanted since you were a child. Okay, so that is coming true. Okay, a good opportunity is going to present itself towards you, and the good thing is that, as I said, it is going to bring a lot of abundance in your life. It is going to bring a lot of stability in your life. Okay, you have been waiting for this patiently. You have been waiting patiently for this opportunity. We also have the Knight of Wands. So as I said, a soulmate connection is also coming towards you. Okay, a person who is going to bring a lot of stability. As I said earlier, there are mountains, so a person who is going to bring a lot of stability in your life is coming towards you. Okay, your knight in shining armor is coming towards you. A person that you always wanted. Okay, it's like a dream come true. This person is going to bring a lot of happiness and a lot of stability in your life, and they're also going to help you to recover from your past heartbreak. Okay, if you had a past meltdown, if you had a past breakdown, then this person is going to help you in recovering from that. As I said, you'll get to know some truth with your intelligence, with your knowledge, and it will help you to accept a situation as it is. Okay, because see, we have the moon card over here and there's moon here as well. So a truth is going to come to light. Okay, a truth is going to come to light, and it is going to help you to make the right decision. It is going to help you to make the right decision. It is going to help you to move ahead in your life. Okay, you will move away from things that are not meant for you, and your knowledge is going to help you to accept it. Okay, your knowledge is going to help you to accept the truth and move away from the things that are not meant for you. We also have the Queen of Wands. Definitely your intuition is going to be very strong during this period. Your intuition is going to be very strong. If your gut feeling is telling you that something isn't right, then please trust that. Okay, also you're going to be very confident in your decisions, which is a very good thing. You're going to be very confident in your decisions. I'll just suggest you don't be overconfident, because sometimes when you have to make big decisions in your life, it is good to take advice from other people. It is good to take advice from people that you trust. If you can take advice from a person that is going to, like, I'll just suggest you to take a second opinion. Okay, if you're going to make a major decision, just take a second opinion. You can do whatever you want to do, but at least you will know what the other people, like what the people that you love or the people that you trust feel, so that you can have multiple options. Okay, so I think a lot of positivity is coming in your life, and something that you've been working for. It might be a job opportunity, it might be a relationship, it might be a career opportunity, it might be a business opportunity. Also, if you're planning to start your own business and you've been waiting to receive some funds, that opportunity is also coming towards you. And as I said earlier, if you're planning to move to a different city, if you're planning to move to a new job, if you're planning to move to a different country, then the opportunity to move is also going to present itself. Okay, you just need to be confident, you just need to be confident, and you just need to trust yourself. Okay, use your mind over your heart. That is going to help you to make the right decisions. And if a soulmate person is coming towards you, then they're going to be very emotionally stable. Okay, if in your past relationships there was a lack of stability, then this person is going to compensate for that. Okay, this person is very stable, this person is going to bring a lot of happiness in your life, and they're also going to help you in achieving your dreams. They're also going to help you in achieving your dreams, and they're going to bring a lot of positivity and abundance in your life. So that is a very positive reading that I see over here. The coming 6 months are going to be very positive for you, Aquarius. Okay, so the signs that I see here are, we have Taurus, we have Leo, then we have strong fire energy, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Yeah, these are the major signs that I see. So you could be dealing with these signs, or these signs will have an influence over you during this period. So that's all for Aquarius. So I hope this reading resonated with you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.